Today is Decorate My Space. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Tablescapes by Candy, Design with Emma, that is me, Pretty DIY, DIY with Ari, At Home with Lisa, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, Sessam's Living, and the RE Lifestyle. So come along with me as I show you my space. And I have decorated my family room. What I've done, I've went in and added the white and gold pillars, the white and gold drapes, and throws a few white accessories, and then I threw in a little yellow for Easter. I will be leaving all of the ladies' information in my description box, so you all make sure you go over and check out their channels. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Decorate My Space. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. Again, I want to thank the Grace Life Home Decor for hosting this Decorate My Space. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.